Hello, greetings. This is Gilles Mancillon. I'm a very busy day today. It's like a stress test. Every day is like a stress test for me, but it's like, so I have a lot to do, but I thought I'd come and say hello. I wanted to say that this awakening process is like coming from childhood into adulthood. There's this like, it's like being a teenager. There's all those hormones and like turbulence, and so there is all kinds of, but we'll eventually reach the maturity, and we have to be patient with the process. We had a long time to prepare. For those who embraced the spiritual path a while back, we had time to prepare so we can move by step. But the second and third wave will be awakened like a flash, and so it's going to be they're going to be very confused, and they're going to be needing some understanding in terms of what's going on. People are no longer really comfortable with this materialistic three-dimensional world, but they're not really yet integrated within their light body, and so it's a spirit was saying through channel that it's like we have reached the shore. We're like a lighthouse, and we create this light, and we see those boats that are coming, but the lighthouse cannot come and reach out for the boat. We have to let them. We have to trust that they will find the shore as well. To trust that they will eventually find their way. We're not here to save the world. We are to create this new life for the world as is saved. And everybody has to come to his own power. And so because we have to take care of ourselves. In essence, the world, for saving the world, the planet is a stage. She accepted this stage for growth purposes, so each person can come into his own power. So we live in a world that's very contrasted. And we can see in the world, the more lucid we see, the more we see that there is so many immoral acts that are being produced behind the scene, or even in front of the scene sometimes. But and so this is creating so much suffering. But we have to understand that those immoral acts never come from their true self of the beings that are doing that. And if they knew better, they wouldn't do it. It comes from their ego. It comes from their false self. And so once we understand that, it's easier to forgive. Understanding they will learn their lesson. The universe will teach them what they need to learn. What we need to do is return to the source, return to love. And we want to connect to the solar grid. We want to connect to the light grid, the crystalline grid. It's an invisible world that surrounds the earth, where the higher self of every being. Once we can access that dimension, we become a higher self. We become one with a higher self. We are able to work with the higher self of every other beings, and so that can. It can simplify a lot of the processes. Once the higher selves are synchronized, there is far more grace that are flowing through the process. We're moving towards the 0 point, where all magnetism will stop, and the energy will stand at the cause of life, in the causal realm. For love is the meeting of the heart, and we want to live, we want to know that we are living in the heart of God. Everything and everyone live in the heart of God. We are the heart of God. All of God's attention is focalized on each and every one of us all the time. It's not a part-time job that God has decided, well, I'm going to help him now, but I'm going to go away. It's when we're doing something that's completely dysfunctional, then the spirit presence has to withdraw a little bit until we return to the alignment. So we want to continue to develop that, move into your heart chakra, to understand and visualize this heart of heart. In the heart of heart, there is the heart of God, and zillions of hearts that are around it. And so we can, within this heart of heart, we can also contact any other hearts, and we communicate from the heart. For the heart chakra, it needs to be activated. The chakras are energetic centers that are aligned on the vertical axis, and the heart chakra is the neutral chakra that connects us to the universe of source, the universe of the creator. And we want to continue to cultivate love within our heart chakra. For the chakras have up and down access to the upper chakras or to the lower chakras, but they also have a frontal axis and a backwards axis that come from the back. And so with time and practice, it is something that's naturally being done. There is a cleansing of those front and back axes, as well as the alignment of the chakra. For it is all working. So some things are being done consciously, other things are being done unconsciously, but it is all happening. It is moving forward. I'm going to pull a few cards for guidance. See, the highest wisdom for us today is achievement, same as in the French reading. what we need to understand is the higher self, is to understand, to become a higher self, to get closer to a higher self, to our soul, our spirit. What we need to do is responsibility. And the outcome is intuition, a great deal of new intuition, empowerment. Following your intuition, our intuition will lead us to greater empowerment. So the paintings behind me is this one is a small painting. The small paintings will need to have a really nice frame. The smaller a painting is, the more important the frame is. For a painting that's well framed, will sell a lot faster. It's a lot easier. It's like a nice frame. For the painting is more important than the frame. But so this will have a nice frame. It's called Paradise. Just says paradise, and it is the reminder of paradise is no matter who we are, when we sing this word paradise, we envision the best of everything. So we all have for this, all that island is far greater than anything we can imagine. But when we think of paradise, we imagine the perfection within the perfection of all things. And so it is a reminder of our source, our origin. And this is called the House of the Magician. There's a magician in his house, and he's being reflected in the smoke, and there's a dragon looking over him. And then there is his power centers and the black hole, the interdimensional gateway between dimensions. And here's the symbol of the earth, but it's all frozen. So it's this person that's living in a very cold world when the magician is in a warm environment. There is this cosmic Egyptian kind of being here, and then there is this one person that emerges on the green with a green light, and he's got a sword and he's got a magic sticks as well, and there is the sun that's sitting on the table who also have his wands. It's a really nice painting. I really like it. There's all kinds of other symbols and little details that are quite nice. I enjoy it. It will be framed as well. I'm going to sing a song to finish. I sang yesterday a song of Procol Harum from the 1960s, and this is another song on the same piece of paper. So I sing that one again today. It's a romantic song from the 1960s. It goes like this. We skip the light fandango, turn cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kind of seasick, but the crowd called out for more. The room was humming harder as the ceiling flew away. When we called out for another drink, and the waiter brought his tray. And so it was that later, as the miller told his tale, that her face at first just ghostly turned a wider shade of pale. She said there is no reason, and the truth is plain to see, that I wandered through my playing card, and I would not let her be one of 16 Vestal virgins who were leaving for the coast. And although my eyes were open, they might just as well be closed. And so it was that later, as the miller told his tale, that her face at first just ghostly turned a wider shade of pale, turned a wider shade of pale, turned a wider shade of pale. Voilà, I hope you're having a nice day. For me, I feel there's a great deal of newness that will be coming, and it's just it's always darkest right before the dawn, so they say. And the card of the day is may the truth be. It's a desire to be transparent. It's about being truthful, being sincere, being honest, being to discover, to allow this truth that we are to unfold and manifest for all to see, to become transparent, to become this beacon, this lighthouse that can light the world and allow the boats to navigate. Do not worry if they lost their way, they will find their way to the shore. Well, I hope this message was interesting for you. I wish you a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Thank you very much. Namaste.